So look at another question now. Let's do that. This is a sequence is given to us, but the question is, let's find the missing terms in this sequence. We got 5 the first term, we got x and y the second and third term, and the fourth term is 20, and then continues. So let's rewrite this in a form where we can manipulate the sequence. All right, so the first thing, because it's an arithmetic sequence, we know that to go from first term to the second term, we have to add a common difference, right? That's what the definition of arithmetic sequence is. And then if you go to the next one, we must add the same common difference. All right, and so forth and so on until we get to the any term that we want. So here it is. If 5 is being added with to the d, the first common difference, then the second one, then the third one, when you add them all up, that should give you 20. That means if I have 5 plus d plus d plus d, 3 common differences, that should give me the term that has got the value of 20 in it. So the only difference here, no pun intended, is that we need to find what d is. So here it is, 5 plus 3d equals to 20. We need to know the common difference in order to find the actual terms. So here 3d equals to 15. Remember, subtract 5 from both sides. Then we are dividing both sides by 3, and the common difference is 5. Now that we know the common difference is 5, now we can go ahead and say, okay, so we have 5 is the first term. To get to the second term, we have to add 5 to it. So plus 5. So the next term will be 10. Let me change the color. That is 10. And then we need, if you want to get the second term, or the third term in this case, and we have to add another 5 to it, and that would be 15, and the last one is 20, and that matches what we have up there. Okay, and you can use any other method you want. You can use the logic method, trial and error method, but this way of thinking about it is very systematic, and you'll get it regardless of what it is. Okay, another example. We have a sequence. In this example, we want to find the number of terms. Okay, simple as that. We have, let's write up what we do have. We have the first term of the sequence is 23. We know the last term of the sequence. We don't know what the last term is because we don't know the term number. Well, we know that Tn is 317. Do we know the common difference? Interesting. Yes, we do, right? We know that between the first and the second term, that would be plus 6. Okay, so we know that it is 6, so we can quickly know that. The only thing we don't know is the number of terms. All right, we're going to use, remember, this is what we're going to use, a plus n minus 1 times d. All right, so we're going to plug numbers in. Tn, we do know, it is 3. So Tn is 317. Equals to a is 23, and that's plus n minus 1. N we don't know, we just leave it alone. D we do know is 6. All right, we are going to now simplify. So that's 23 plus, now that's 6 being multiplied in 6n minus 6. All right, and of course you're going to do the 23 minus 6. That is 17 plus 6n. We have 317 on the other side. We're solving for n, so we have to subtract 17 from both sides. And we get this equation, 300 equals 6n. Divide both sides by 6, and basically n equals to 50. That means this sequence has 50 terms, which is equal to n. All right, that's basically it. That's the end of the arithmetic sequence section. All right, now work time, a lot of exercises. Keep going with that, and the more you do it, the better you get. All right.